Sher Khacher, Lion and a Mule. So, this is a dialogue between a lion who is king of the jungle and a mule who is just an ordinary, workhorse servant. So, lion looks at the Khacher and then says, साकना ने दश्तो सहरा में है तू सबसे अलग. He looks at the mule and he says that you look so different. I mean, I am king of the jungle and I know everyone from my that lives in this kingdom. I get to see them and I get to meet them and I know their which family do they belong to, and but you look so different. You don't look like any of them. Okay, so tell me, कौन है तेरे अब्बू जद, किस कबीले से है तू? Tell me about your lineage, about your family ties. Which tribe do you belong to? Which family are you from? Khacher. So he's kind of, ashamed, and he says, मेरे मामू को नहीं पहचानते शायद हुजूर. Your Highness, maybe I thought you will know my great grand maternal uncle. He was वो सबा रफ्तार शाही अस्तबल की आबरू. He was a very prominent figure of his time, and he made great strides, and he was raised above, in ranks above others, very in a matter of time, and he was like talk of the town, and he was face of the cameras, and he was the most loyal servant of king of his time.